sir. I am like Erika Almasan Bakulin from Kapisayan, Norte, Cagayan, Cagayan, 25 years old. I'm single. My height is 152 cm. My weight is 60 kg. I'm only one child. I am a college graduate. I have 2 years experience in the Philippines from year 2020 until 2023. My job is doing all the household works like cleaning, cooking, and marketing. They have 4 persons in the house. I am taking care of their 2 kids, a 7 years old and a 8 years old boy. I also prepare for their foods like cooking steamed veggies and chicken adobo. I'm good in cleaning and taking care of children. I can accept any kind of job. I agreed 1 day of a month, and I promise I will work hard and I will work trustworthy, reliable, and honesty, and I will follow any instructions and looking forward to work with your family to support my family also. Thank you, Mom and Sir. God bless.